course, it is Women's Month. It was Women's Day on Saturday, so I hope you were thoroughly spoiled, ladies, especially by that special man in your life. We set our espresso baking challenge with a bit of a twist this weekend. We said we wanted the men out there to go out and do something special for their ladies, and it couldn't have been more special than, I love this, a lemon and poppy seed angel food cake.
Oh, wow.
That is quite an impressive baking challenge.
Indeed, indeed. But thank you so much for all of your photos that you've been sending in. But our winner this morning, Mr. Craig Pierce, this morning, he is on the line. Craig, good morning. Can you hear us?
Good morning, Graham.
Nice one.
You got you in here as well, and we are both very impressed, sir, that you were able to fulfill this baking challenge.
Yeah.
I'm guessing being able to cook for the special woman in your life was the motivation you needed. How difficult was the cake to bake?
Well, just separating the eggs, that was the difficult part of it. But everything else was a breeze.
Can I just ask you, did you do everything by yourself, or did you at least have a little bit of help?
All she had to do was put the oven on bake for me.
Very sweet. And
Love
of course, eat the delightful cake.
Yeah.
It really does look amazing. What is your wife's name?
Anthea.
Anthea looks beautiful. It looks like she really is relishing this poppy seed angel food cake. But sir, congratulations. Out of a ton of entries, you have taken the cake. Well done, sir. We really are proud to announce you as our baking challenge winner. Congratulations.
Well done, well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, awesome. It's absolutely amazing to see how people just respond to our baking challenges and get baking over the weekends. But I mean, we can't forget that Craig walks away with a Hershey's chopping board this morning. It is a fantastic prize. Once again, congratulations, Craig. Great prize.
Awesome stuff. And you can check out our Facebook page every Friday to find out our latest espresso baking challenge. It's getting tougher and tougher each week. You've got to bring your game face. But I know Zola was very impressed with Craig's entrant this week. Hey, Zols.